Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and if you're here for the first time, then please hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell to stay notified every time I upload a video and you never miss a video again. And yes, we will be on the same page all the time. So this video is like really long pending, like long pending. Some of you guys have requested me to do the review of Blue Heaven Florina foundation, and finally I have it with me. So I'm not going to review it, but I'll do a first impression of it. Now let me tell you, I am quite impressed with this particular product right here. So if you want to see how this works, then please keep on watching. Let's talk about the packaging and the price and everything first, and then we'll move on to the demo and everything, and finally I'll tell you my verdict or my thoughts about the product. This foundation claims that it is a primer, concealer, sunscreen and foundation all in one, and I do agree because even though I wore Patanjali as a primer, but it did a pretty well job of concealing and covering and everything, and still it was very lightweight. It also says that it's water resistant and high coverage. It certainly is not a very high coverage, but I would give it like a go, and it is kind of high coverage. And yeah, that's all that it claims, and all the details about the product and the ingredients are mentioned on the cardboard casing. It's not mentioned on the bottle, but the ingredients are mentioned on the cardboard casing itself. The Blue Heaven Florina foundation comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging, and it retails for 175 rupees for 30 ml of product. For 175 rupees, this kind of packaging is a really big thumbs up. And when you open it up, you can just take off your glass bottle right there, and it's like really amazing because it's a glass bottle. The cap is really sturdy, but I would however not suggest you to take this while traveling, because you know caps like these just comes off any moment even though they are sturdy. And the best part is that it comes with a pump, which is an amazing thing because you don't have to dip your thing into it, or you just don't have to pour out, and it's not everywhere. So for 175 rupees you get an amazing packaging. When you compare it to the Lakme Perfecting foundation or the foundation of that range, it is like a really good buy because you get an amazing packaging and the product is in itself very good, as you'll see in the demo. Pump is also really nice, so you just in one pump you get a good amount of product, and the product is not runny or flowy, it's like creamy, and it also blends in really well. So yeah, just look at that, it blends in the skin really well, and it will not make your skin cakey or anything of that sort. So this blends into your skin like anything. I really like it. Like I've been saying this a million of times, but the thing is that the product in itself is very good. The packaging is on point, and for the price you pay you get a very good product. So I'll start off with first priming my face because I don't want anything to go on my face without the primer, and anyways we apply foundation with the primer itself. So I'll use this as my primer because I always use this. I don't know, something happens with silicone primers. My skin just behaves weirdly with silicone primers. My pores becomes into bumps as soon as I apply the silicone primer, so I try to avoid them, and aloe vera gel just works fine for me. So I've already taken the foundation on the back of my hand. Ignore the swatches because if you guys know what I do then you might just understand. So it's already like a bit tacky now, and I'll just dot this all over my face just like that. Surprisingly, Blue Heaven products have these strong odors and this one doesn't, so this is like a big thumbs up. And this has a really pleasant smell and it won't actually irritate you. For the price that you're paying, you get a really awesome product. Like so far so good. And then now I'll just blend it all out. Let me just zoom you guys in so that you can see the blending process even more closely. By the way, I took the shade called Natural Glow for myself, and it matches perfectly for me. So you guys can see that it blended really well into my skin. There are no patches and it's actually very matte. It is not dewy at all, and it's very very lightweight. I don't even feel anything on my skin, and the coverage is quite decent. Like, look at that. The coverage is quite decent. Light medium to medium coverage foundation, because you cannot say that it's a really light coverage foundation. It's somewhere in between light, medium to medium. And I don't know, let's just try and build it up so that we know if you can actually build it up without caking or not. So I will just take some more at the back of my hand. I really like this pump, like literally this is amazing. And I'll just apply some more. Blend. Let me just zoom you guys once again. I'm really loving this foundation. I'll show you something. It did not got absorbed a lot into the beauty blender, as you can see. Like, it did not got absorbed a lot. That means that the majority of the product is on your face, and I layered it 2 times and I can still feel very lightweight. It's not tacky at all, so you can skip it without setting it. I really like the finish of it. Like, I just love it. The only downside of this product is that it comes in just 2 shades. So you have the natural glow and you have the saffron glow. So if you are a yellow undertoned person, you would probably go with the natural glow because it has a yellow undertone, and if you are somebody with the pink undertone, you would go with the saffron glow because it has a pinky tone in it. And this foundation will suit from light to medium skin tone. I would not recommend this for deeper skin tone because this will look like really white on you. So yeah, that's the only bummer it has. Otherwise, it's a really amazing product. As you already saw, the foundation did a pretty well job for the price that it comes for, like just 175 rupees, and you get this kind of a coverage. I am really impressed. I have that pimple mark right here which is not quite visible. The coverage is, however, I'll say from medium to high coverage. You can build it up and still not feel cakey, and I think it will suit all skin types because it's matte. And if you have dry skin, try to just have moisturizer underneath and it will be even more comfortable. I have a bit of dry skin and I did not use a moisturizer. I just used my Patanjali aloe vera gel, and the foundation is amazing. It's not caking from anywhere, and it's like amazing. I really like the finish of it. I don't feel as if I'm wearing a foundation, yet I have the coverage there. So from my side, it's a big yay, and you should just go ahead and buy this because it's really amazing for 175 rupees. Like, I have used Lakme Perfecting foundation, I've used Blue Heaven other foundations as well, and they are patchy on me, but this one just glided amazingly. So I really liked it. I hope this review was helpful to you, and if it was, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.